YouTube is back with another video, man. Let me clean y'all off real quick. We is back with another banger, man. So right now we are gonna finish this car up. I took it to the car wash last time. I did do a little car wash. Like, I ain't do too much like detailing or anything, but I did enough. Anyway, we're gonna take it there. We're gonna get this car pretty much like I'm gonna put, let me move that. I'm gonna put the rug in at the car wash, and then we're gonna go from there, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure I stay tuned. Make sure I hit that like, and make sure I comment on everything. No kissing. With that being said, I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so we is in the whip. You feel me? Seat not buckled up. Everything. Woo! Yes, sir. I'm gonna catch y'all on the road. Alright, y'all, so we riding, baby. Woo, smooth sailing. Smooth sailing. Downshift, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We riding, y'all. Hey, so look, I promise y'all I'm gonna bring y'all some great content with this car. Once I get this car registered and all this good stuff, I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna make sure. Hey, look, y'all, I'm just happy as heck, man. Y'all know, for the ones that stayed down, y'all really know like what I went through to get this car even up and running or whatever. Go ahead and put that regular drive mode. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of good things with this car, bro. Like, I want to fully restore it and get it how I want it. As y'all can tell, like, the dash is kind of peeling up from the heat or whatever. But very soon I do get the car registered and stuff like that. Get some insurance on it. Yes, I'm riding without insurance. It's like, nah, I'm not riding without insurance. But we are riding. You know what I'm saying? Cybertruck. Wow. Hey, y'all, this car really loud, though. I'm not gonna count to y'all. Let me read this thing real quick. Yeah. It's not that loud, but you feel me? Once we get it tuned up, get the little cam chopping, then y'all know how that's gonna be. But we are right up the street from the car wash. I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. And yeah. Alright, guys, so we made it to the car wash or whatever. It's loud outside, so y'all bear with me. But I just got my first comment. They was like, man, everything sounds good coming in. But it's still some work that need to be done. I don't know if it's just because it's hot and like the motor is like burning off that water, but it's whatever. We're not here for that. We're here to make this car right. So y'all gonna watch me literally install like the floor lining and everything out here at this car wash. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We lit. Look at my girl. Alright, y'all, so everything done. We finally got the interior in. Or not the interior, the floor lining. It look way smoother, y'all. It bring out that you know what I'm saying, on the inside, but and to bring out that black. But we're gonna find some different chairs. These chairs stink and they just don't look good. You know what I'm saying? So one of y'all, if y'all want them, come get them, scoop them off. But all of this gotta go. So I might think I think I might go black on black on the interior. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. But I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive right now. Whew, that was shaky. Let me turn traction control off. Dang, my girl right there, but we ain't gonna do too much, y'all, cause it's no tags on here and we don't need no attention. Psych! Y'all know me. Hey, y'all know this car sound good as heck. We're gonna put it in first real quick so we can get up. It's a lot of traffic. No kidding. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Go, y'all. Let's downshift. We just gotta get us a tune, bro. And we need some suspension, bro. Cause this bit ready. It's alright, I gotta get used to this POV, bro. I got this big old tripod that my girl got me. Appreciate you, my girl, because I didn't have a tripod either. So I appreciate that. And if it idle real raw, no nothing. Yes, sir. We're gonna lift this seat up because your boy cannot see it over the steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie. Everything, like the cooling system, everything gotta be redone. If y'all know what I'm saying, like this whole cooling system is really like shot. So like the AC and stuff, I'm gonna do an AC delete. I'm gonna do, what else? I'm gonna do an AC delete and I'm gonna do something else. Ooh, that bitch get sideways. Ooh, that bitch get sideways, y'all. Get sideways, y'all. I'm really supposed to be letting my girl stay behind me, but the mailman just got behind me. Really driving like I'm really a driver. But we gonna save the car, bro, until we get this cooling system right. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and change the steering wheel. Oh shoot! I'm gonna change the steering wheel because this one is gone. Like, you can see cracks in it from the sun and stuff. Like, this car just been sitting. There we go. Let's try to get out. You like this? You like that? Hey, it did get sideways at the light, didn't it? It did get sideways at the light. Like, oh, see, she don't pay attention to me. It don't smell like no fire though. Talk about it smell like fire. What type of stuff is that? Like, what are you running from? Oh, bro! I'm tearing it. Watch, move your car. Like, why is she parking right there with the car? Move the car! Dang! I'm over here doing burnouts in this man's yard with an open diff. Hey, y'all, this is why y'all need to get y'all, you feel me, a locked diff, bro. Cause, like, what the heck? I can't even back up. Y'all see this crazy girl. Anyway. Yes, sir. She ready? she running, y'all. Something wrong with her. Y'all want to know something? I did leave out my charger right here, which is about to mess with me. It was in the rain. Dang, bro. That's why you get warranty on everything. Even though I don't. Definitely need to lock this diff up too. Because this diff is booty. Booty cake.
Let me record for you.
Do you got a small screwdriver?
No.
Like for glasses?
If I had that, I would be able to fix my glasses. My dad has it.
Do it like a daddy. No. Let's see what you got in your car.
Let's show them how clean it is. Okay?
All right.
Because you didn't help me like you said.
Nope. All right, y'all. So look, we is at Party City for special reasons only. How I said, come on. Keep close. Keep close. So look, y'all. For those that have discovered already, your boy hit one. Never mind, I can't tell y'all right now. I'm just gonna let y'all this. I'm gonna let y'all see. So we're gonna catch y'all in the store, and we're gonna walk across the road safely. $25. Still $14 for a balloon? A balloon? Look at my werewolf, y'all. Say her. You look like that. Get back. So look, y'all. We're gonna get right.
Let me see.
Alright, y'all, hold on. We're gonna catch y'all. I know I said we're gonna get the balloons, but just give us a second. We having fun. Get this ugly little left leg out the way.
Huh? How do you feel?
Look at that lady in the car. Yo.
Ow, my ankle. Huh?
So look, y'all. We got this. We're just gonna make it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip to it. Alright, y'all, so right now we done. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, get away from the trash. Get your car in. Wait, come back over here in front of your car. Like, stand in front of
Alright,
this.
so y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. While I stand right here in the tree.
Okay, go ahead. The trash can's ugly.
It's alright. Take a picture of the back of my car.
Oh, let me just stand over here.
Why would you stand right there? Stand right here. Right here.
Go ahead. Hey,
gang, we made 1K. Hey, look, y'all. So, look, we hit 1K finally, man. I appreciate everybody for the support and just motivation to keep me going.
Do something funny with me.
What?
Need to turn it off.
She's so corny, y'all. But with that being said, that is a milestone. We're gonna make it bigger and better. But just look at the interior, like, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna be like,
Oh, wee. Look, don't you just see the interior?
I know, I just said it looks great.
Look, open it.
Oh, it makes me shiver.
Yeah, that's crazy, y'all. I did my thing with that. I'm not gonna lie. Next, door panels, seats, steering wheel, custom steering wheel on the way. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Stop rushing my video. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying, we're gonna customize things. We're gonna go ahead and get this cooling system right in my car, man, because right now, acting funny, but it's all right. We're gonna get it right. Get some new tires. And I got a special surprise site. Now, I'm not even gonna act like that, but we're gonna definitely get us a good diff going and go from there. So y'all make sure y'all tune in, make sure y'all subscribe, and it's only gonna get lit on me.